everybody. Do you want to know what is the Metaverse? Then come and see this video.
The Metaverse is an open network of 3D virtual worlds where people work, shop, and interact with others using an avatar. It is how we, as users, can connect to the blockchain front end for Web 3, just as browsers do for Web 2. There is not one singular metaverse, it's just a term used to describe these kinds of virtual interactions. Here, users interact using avatars and can buy and sell digital goods. The metaverse can be accessed through your internet browser or downloaded software. But many experts think that the metaverse will let people interact in environments that look and feel like the real world, and that augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, will be important parts of this. In this sense, the metaverse is different to the internet we have all come to know and use on a daily basis. Instead of simply viewing it, we will be actively experiencing and interacting with the web. The metaverse has the potential to shape a future in which we spend more time in the virtual world than in reality. What makes the metaverse different to the internet?
You can explore and experience the metaverse instead of just viewing it. What would you like more? Then what would you like more? Internet or metaverse? That's it. You would like metaverse.
Can you access the metaverse?
So how will we access the metaverse? Through the browser, VR headset, or software installed on your computer?
True or false? The metaverse has the potential to shape a future in which we spend more time in the virtual world than in reality.
That's true.
What is virtual reality? Virtual reality, or VR, lets people explore and interact with a 3D world that looks and feels real.